third part of this 511 searching and filtering in the model tree of Archi. This one is will be the last part of the 511 and also the conclude of chapter 5. So we will talk about the reset, filter, find, and replace. So that is very simple. So reset means is if I select this menu, will clear all selection for documentation, property, specialization, element, relation, and view. So that is coming from here, reset, because you may see is I want to search these application parts and I want to search deliverables, but possible is you are not so easy to find is which folder I have some criteria. Then this reset. So once you reset, is you can see show all folder way is still kept, and only the name is here, and your folder-based filtering criteria is gone. So that is very easy. So sometimes is maybe that is the more effective is to just reset, and that is more than or better than this you uncheck manually is from the previously searching then this to the next the criteria. So that is the reset. Secondly is the find and replace. I think is the most of the software provide such kind of the feature. So it's also applied to Archi. Is you can use this. I think it's let's leave on this show all, and you find this from the edit and go to this find replace. So if I want to see is I want to find this all the cap, and but that is replace all capability. Let me see. I want to see is the comp. Let me see the management capability. So I want to give some more specific thing as direction is forward. So that means is if you are searching from the top, then that is forward. And selection mode on the scope or all model. So these are the selection this model, or you have some this option. So let's find all. So first is like our normal searching match. So they match these two, and if you feel these two highlight are correct, then replace all. Then all of these one are replaced. And if you are matching from here, and I want to match the capability, so find all is a match from here, then this from the top again. All is your focus here. You can use this back, so that is also find here. So if I open the another one, so I open two parts is the I put is the capability, select, find all. So you can see I found this in my subset model. There's numbers of the capability. At the same time is that they are not search on this test model, because I have this select models mapped on the scope. If I don't select only, it's all model. So you can see. Oh, so sorry. Let me find. I hope it's yeah still keep find all. So now is also opened your second model. So that is this effect means so, but default is you have the empty one. This is empty one. And once you made that is I'm not sure is where is the history is remembered, but it looks like is they gave you some the buffer, so it's remember the last one. Case sensitive include the folder, so folder by default is not as this selection scope. So for example, I want to see strategy. Find all, this folder is not. Include folder is not on the strategy. is not on those system folder. Sorry, I should say it's not found this the normal folder. So let me close my this useful model. So if I create a folder, so strategy sample. So now if I put in that is I can find this folder, and if I put this value string for strategy. So when I make search, then with this include folder is also pop up. But if I don't have that, find all not cover this strategy sample folder. And include the relation is also, so by default you is not searching to the relation the folder. But if I want to see is I want to put this cap. Now is the include part is the that should have this one. So cap incident select folder. So let's look at is the realization. Find all, not found. Realization relation. So if I put because these are not by the name, so I bet is the I should see here is the business realization. That is the default name. So now if I try to find, it's coming here. And this one, if I see that is the strategy relation. And if now search strategy, find all. So you have this relation with this strategy. Include the folder means that will have this folder. Not include the relation, then this one is not lead. And the whole word is the if you want to check that, because I have the whole word. But if you want to see is a strategy sample, I only want to whole word is then this is coming. Having this strategy is not coming. So that is the same, so similar for those ones. So I have enough testing for this one. So we start is we have done the first big folder or the chapter 5. I hope is you are having the enough understanding about the model tree. From next video is I will prepare further is and we will move to chapter 6 view in Archi. So you can see here is this is even bigger the chapter. They have a total 38 different the subchapter, and we will do that is one by one as well in detail. So see you in chapter 6. Bye for now.